Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we'll see second experiment in UNIX lab, that is conditional statements using shell scripting. The first program which we have got today is grade calculation of a student. Uh, this is my UNIX terminal and here I have given my code. I have saved this as ex2.sh and here from here the code begins. I'll explain you how it is. The first line is echo enter 5 marks. So we'll take 5 subject marks and then we'll total it, percentage it, and based on those percentage we can make the grade of the student. So I've given echo enter 5 subject marks, and to take these 5 subject marks into the program we should give read and then some random name or name so that it stores the first thing in S1 and the second subject marks in S2 and so on. So I've did the same thing for 5 subjects, and after this we have to calculate the total. Total is required in order to make the percentage. So I've given here as total equal to expression. This is an expression, so dollar S1, that is it takes the value of S1 plus dollar S2, it takes the value of S2 and so on till S5, and they should be in the this symbol so that it forms an exact expression, and then echo total equal to dollar total. So this will take the address or the value of it takes the value of total, so we have used dollar total. Then we need the percentage. To calculate the percentage expressions we need total, so we have calculated total, and total divided by 5 gives the 5 subject percentage. So I have made this, and then echo percentage equal to dollar percent, dollar this one, so it shows the percentage of 5 subject based on the total of 5 subject marks. And if dollar percentage slash gt, that means greater than 90, then this is a simple if then echo structure. Then it should echo, that means print as grade is 1, grade A, and then percentage greater than 80, grade B, percentage greater than 70, grade C, and so on. And after that here we have started if, and so we have to close if like fi, and then our program is done. I'll get back to my place. This is where we can calculate it. I'll give sh space ex2 dot sh, and now it is asking me to enter 5 subject marks. Here you can see it, enter 5 subject marks. I'll enter as 100, 100, 50, 50, and 100. Now it is showing the total as 400, which by you can calculate this and check it out. Total is 200 and the percentage will be 80, and based on the percentage the grade is C. So it is working successfully. And the next question which I got is write a program to find a student is pass or fail based on his internal marks. Internal will be 60 by 100 plus external of 40 by 100. External is 40 by 100 and marks should be greater than 38, and if everything is greater than equal to 45 then pass, otherwise fail. So this is the system, and we should take the internal input out of 140 and external input out of 100. Now let's get back to the UNIX terminal, and here I've given a name for the second thing like exer2.sh. Yeah, this is our total thing, and here I have given echo enter internal marks so that it will take read A will take internal marks, and echo external marks, this will take in the B will take in the external marks, and then we need to calculate it based on 60 and external based on 40 out of 100. So this expression is done by C, that is C equal to expression of $A into 60 divided by 100, and expression $B, that is the value of B, into 40 because we need to calculate external marks on 40 divided by 100, and the total will be the sum of two expressions, that is a and b. So this is the total, and if total greater than or equal to 40 and total greater than or equal to 45, then echo pass, or else it would be failed. So we can check here, the output will be is asking me to enter the internal marks. So I'll enter it as if we check out the question, internal input should be taken out of 140. Let's give some 60. And external marks, external should be taken out of 100. I'll give some 50. And here it is showing it as pass. So there is minimum of internal marks and minimum of external marks here, so that the output is pass for me. So this is the second thing, and the third one is find if alphabet is a vowel or consonant. Let's check out this one, ex2.sh. Here is my program. I've used simple switch cases so that it will be easy for me to check out only 5 vowels and other things are consonant, a, e, I, o, u. So these are all the 5 things, and the same thing in the capitals also. So I've given here echo enter a string, which will print enter a string, and then read ch is something which I gave to take in the input from the user, and then case. Now we have used switch cases, and case $s, that is the value of ch in, it is the actually the syntax of switch case, and then the value in all these things. So the first thing is a, let's take it as case 1 and then case 2. So case 1 should be like this, the thing which we want here, and then echo, it's a vowel. So if the user uh, gives the input as a, then it will show input, and if it gives e, it will show it as an vowel, and I, all these things, even if it is small or capital, it will show it is an vowel, either way. And then star, which means rest all other things, so everything rest than other than a, e, I, o, u, it shows it is not an vowel. And then we should end the case, so the reverse of case, that is ESAC. Now this is done. Now let's check the output, sh space exe2.sh. Now it is asking me to enter a string. Let's give an alphabet and check it out. A, yeah, it is showing it is a vowel. And then let's check B, it is not an vowel. So this is working perfectly. And then the next thing is write a shell script that computes the gross salary of an employee according to the following. So here, if basic salary is less than 1500, then according to the given question, here we'll check HR will, should be 10% of the basic and DA equal to 90% of the basic. So as the code here has, HR equal to expression of basic salary into 10 divided by 100, and then DA equal to expression of basic salary into 90 divided by 100, or else the HRA should be 50 and DA should be into 98 divided by 100, so it gives 98%. And according to the given question, uh, here the if loop ends, and after this we have to calculate the gross salary. Gross is nothing but the summation of HRA and DA, so it is expression of HRA plus DA. And here we should show the user the output. So echo gross salary is $GRS, it shows the gross. Now if we could execute this code, it is asking to enter the basic salary. Let's enter 1600. The gross salary is 2068. This is calculated based on this, where the salary is greater than 50, so HRA of 500 and DA of 98% is added to the basic. So since as if I give 1600, it shows the complete salary with HRA and DA as 2068. And the next question goes like this: develop a calculator with the following functionalities: plus, minus, multiplication, divide, and sine, cos, tan. So for this question I have again used simple case statements. Here you can see all the cases which I have given for each thing. So my program works like this: we have to enter a number, it will read the number and then the other number, and it reads the second number and gives the complete expression, maybe addition or subtraction or multiplication or any other sign or tan. Here I have given echo, choose an option, and the options are 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, division, and so on and so forth. And then we have to the user have to give the input, and it is taken through C. So I have given read C, and case for C, this is the case structure. Case for $C is the address, like the value of C, and in first case is echo, enter a number, so it reads a number, read A, and then echo, enter another number, then it reads B, and then first thing is addition, the first case which you have used here. So expression of $A, that is value of A, plus $B, value of B. So it goes like this. And then similar thing for the subtraction I have used here minus, and then for multiplication this thing, so that it multiplies two numbers, and then division, the division symbol. And here is the next thing which I've used is, actually if you see the code here, the fifth case which I've given is sine, and then cos and tan. So when we go to fifth thing, here it asks for a number and reads the number, and it calculates it as this expression: scale is equal to 5, and s of value of A into 3.14159 divided by 180, which gives exactly the sine value. And this is a loop, and if we give the next give any other number also, it gives the output. And similarly for tan and cos and tan. Now let's check the output for this thing. Now it is asking to enter your option, let's say 1, and it is asking to enter a number 20, enter another number 30. So my output is 50 finally. So it is working, the addition is working. Next we can similarly check for any other option also. Let's check for sine, enter a number, sine 60. It is showing the exact point decimal value of sine. The next question for us is, write a program to convert the given seconds into hour, minute, and seconds again. So if we give 3814 seconds, it should give answer as 1 hour 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Now the code for this one is, yeah, this is the code. First we should enter time, so echo enter time, and the time should be red, so read time. And I've used simple if and else if loops. If time less than 60, then echo second of $time, which gives the value of time. So if it is less than 60, it can directly show it as seconds, right? So it is like this. And then else if time greater than 60 and time less than 3600, so it should follow these instruction, these commands, that is temp equal to expression of time modulus of 60, and then minutes equal to time divided by 60, and finally it should display minutes and seconds separately. The seconds will be the temporary value which we have used this command here. And then else if not this case also, then time is greater than 3600 and time is less than 216000, then we have some other code like this. So here temp s and temp m h, second, minute, hour I have taken, and expression of time divided by 3600, and in minutes it is divided by 60, and hours it is divided by 60. So it shows us r equal to dollar temp h and minute equal to dollar temp m and second equal to dollar temp s. So it exactly shows the output of the time which you are given. And else this is the final thing by which we can close if loop. So this is all in a loop. Now if you want to check out the output, enter the time. It is asking us to enter the time, and in question we have been asked for 3814. The answer should be 1 hour 3 minutes and some seconds. Now it is asking me to enter time. You can see it here. I'll press 3814. 1 second. There's some